What's up, guys? Today what we're going to do is look at recurring decimals and how to put them into a fraction. So if we're told to convert 0.63 into a fraction, we can solve it algebraically to get it into a fraction. So the first thing we do is we let x equals 0.6 recurring, 3 recurring, or 0.63, 63, 63, and so on and so forth. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is we need to get it out of this 636363. The way we can do that is we can say that 10x is equal to 6.36363 ... But that's still not anywhere close to 6.3. We need 6.3 to be on the decimal. So let's try it again. 100x is going to be 63.63, sorry, 0.63, 0.63, and so on and so forth. Aha! So now we have it as 6.3 on both of them. So now what we can do is we can get rid of this 0.636363 by simply finding out what 99x is. 99x is equal to 63.6 recurring, 3 recurring, minus 0.63 recurring, which is just equal to 63. And so therefore, x is just going to be 63 divided by 99. If we want to, we can simplify that fraction. And when we simplify it, we should get an answer of 7/11. And that is our final answer. Is this video helpful? Then make sure you subscribe so that you can get more videos just like it and slowly but surely be better at maths. Now let's look at this example. For this example, we have 0.6408 recurring to put into a fraction. How are we going to do that? Well, first things first is we let x equal to 0.6408, 6408, 6408, and so on and so forth. So what do you think we need to do now? Remember, before we looked at our 100x to simplify. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 recurring, we do not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 recurrings, okay? So 10,000x is going to be 6,408.6408, 6408, 6408, and so on and so forth. And so now, because we have a decimal of 6408 on each side, we can work out what 9999x is, which is just 6408.6408.6408, and so on and so forth, minus 0.6408 recurring, okay? Which is just going to be equal to 6408. And so therefore x is simply going to equal 6408 divided by 9999. And that should be our final answer. If we want, once again, we can simplify the fraction. And so our final answer will be 7/12 over 1111. And that is our final answer. Is this not making sense to you? Don't you worry. Join my Discord server and send in whatever questions you want. Now let's look at this example. You see, this example is different because the number x, it's not going to be 0.353535. It's going to be 0.35555555555, okay? So if we do x is equal to 100x is equal to 35.55555, okay? And we look at what 99x is, it's going to be a difficult number. Okay? Because, as you can see, here is 3,5, but here is 5. Also, that shouldn't be recurring. Right? But the whole point is those numbers here are different. So what can we do to make them the same? Well, I ask you, what is stopping this two numbers from being 55555? It's this number here. So how can we put the 3 in front? Oh, easy. All we need to do, is do 10x, which is equal to, that 3 will jump in front. So it's 3.555555. Okay? And so we can safely say then that 90x is going to be 35.5 recurring minus 3.5 recurring, which is just going to be 32. Okay? And so therefore x is just going to be 32 divided by 90. If we want to simplify the fraction, all we need to do is just leave the answer as 16 over 45. And that is our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. Did you enjoy this video? Do you need more help? Do you want to pass your exams? Get tutored by me. Drop me an email and we can organize a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.